making a network cable or patch cable. I'm starting off with my wire stripper. There you go. This is what the cables look like. There's this plastic on the inside that is supposed to help your cable be steady, but for crimping I need to cut this out. It makes life a little bit easier. Right. There is a format to doing this crimp. You can get the instructions online. I have this printed paper here that I have for like 5 years or more, but I know it off the top of my head now, but we can just go through it briefly. So you need to get your cables in this order. So orange and white, orange, green and white, and so on. But again, I've memorized it because I've done this so many times. So in my mind I say squiggly solid, squiggly solid, squiggly solid, and so on. So yeah, let me continue. All right, I need to untwist each cable, so you can do it with your fingers like this, or you can get one of this untwist tools on, I got it off Amazon, which does make my life a lot easier. So you just hold the ends like this and untwist. Use this because it does tend to damage my nails, so if you don't have that problem, well, you don't need this. When all of your cables are untwisted, it will look like this, but then we'll put them in order to match this chart. Another benefit of this wire twister is you need to get your cables as straight as possible. This will make your life so much easier. My wire twister, you can just press down and twist, and it will help straighten those cables for you, which makes life a lot easier. So there you go, it did help a lot. And then I usually take my hands and just bend and twist like this to get it even more straight. The straighter your cables, the better for you. It will make life a lot easier. So there you go. I usually cut them about, I want to say one inch, 1.5 inch. So I will do that now. And we have them in that correct order. Let me put all of these cables into the end. Oh wait, I forgot to put on my boots. I want to insert this strain relief boot now. You want to do this before, but I just remembered, so I'll just do it now. I'll just put my second rubber boot on this end as well. Just trim it just a slight bit more. Right, you want to get them as straight as possible. It will make life so much easier. So I'm gonna insert it now into my end, and I'm looking at the gold boots should be facing me, so it should be facing you. So when you have your cables really straight, it should slide right in like this, and you want to push your cables as far up as possible. I don't know if you'd see here, but one of the cables actually went in wrong, which is okay, don't worry about that. This should be in front of brown solid, so that is alright. We'll just pull it back out, reposition, and just go again. Like, this is perfectly normal, don't worry, just go again. Right, good. So there we go. We have the orange and white. Orange, okay, I cannot do that. So we have squiggly solid, squiggly green, blue, blue squiggly, green, squiggly brown, and brown. Very good. It is good to go. And remember, you want to push your network cable as far up as possible. This will make your crimp much more steady. I'm going to take my crimper and insert the cable in here. You do it like this. Right, and this is just one press and all of the cables will cut out like completely, effortlessly. Love this crimper. And there you go, first end finished. And I will put my rubber boot onto the end to secure it in place. Now let me do the second end now, and then we'll test and make sure the cable is working. Again, wire stripper. And again, twist and bend, twist and bend. It does work. And I'll cut it off about, again, maybe 1.5 inch. And again, the gold should be facing me or facing you. You don't want to crimp it like this, then you'll get a bad crimp. This cable would not work. Again, because it was straight, it went in very smoothly. Let me just verify each cable is correct. Alright, so once again, insert into crimper. And another way I use this crimper is I can just press like this. And yeah, as always, it will always 9 out of 10 cut every single cable out with no problems at all. Okay, good. There we go. Let me just put my rubber boot on. So I'll insert first end, second end. Let's see. Turn it on. All 8 cables tested well. It was done well. And that is the end of making a network cable or patch cable for today.